In this video, I want to go ahead and fix a bug that was made in the previous video. So if you recall, when we play as a client, we get kind of a double equipping effect going on. So you see the 1911 kind of appeared, then unequipped, and then reappeared. We're actually getting two of them. So if I hit play, you can see in the world outliner, we have Firearm 0 and Firearm 1. So we're spawning, well, two. Slight issue. Basically, it's because we're not doing the local check here in possessed by. So what the server is doing, well, let me walk you through this. The server, by default, when the server makes a client get possessed by a controller, so this pawn possessed by this controller, it is going to go ahead and call setup starting equipment by default. Then, when the client notifies the server that they are ready, it runs it again. So in here, we want to do a is locally controlled check, like so, and run our live coding. So that way, we only notify the server if we're ready, if we're locally controlled, and as the server, we are only going to run server client ready implementation if we are the local client, so the listen server. Now we should be good to go, and that bug removed. So we only have that one equip, as you saw, and one firearm. So that seems to be good to go there. So now we just have another bug, and I got to kind of figure it out, but it seems to be animation related. I can't quite tell. But as you saw, the slide did not lock back, and it's still not locked back. And then when I press R to reload, it kind of looks like it tries to play it twice. It's hard to tell, but I want to look into those. So anyhow, this is going to be all for this video. We're going to do kind of each bug one at a time. So I will see you in the next video. If you like what I'm doing and you want to help support me, you could find a link to my Patreon in the description below, where you could also get early access to this entire series.